Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to duplicate a page on your website in Webflow. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the options that you can access in Webflow. So as you can see here we have the options and here we can see all the websites that we have created. And if we want to go ahead and create a new website, we can even click this button right here that says new site and do that. But for today's video, I'm going to go ahead and be using this website right here that I have already created called YouTube Tutorials. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the website by clicking on it right here and clicking on Open Designer. And now this will open up the website in the page and we can get started with editing the website. So if you look at the right side of the screen, you will see that you have the option to edit and style of all the elements on your website. So you can design how your pages look and how the elements on the pages look. Here you have this element settings and so on. And if you look at the left side of the screen, you will see that you have the option to add new elements to your website. So you can add the elements to the website. As you can see, there is an add elements button right here. You can even see your components, your settings, and so on. So guys, to be able to duplicate a page, the first thing we have to do is go ahead and open up the pages option right here, which is this file right here. And we will go ahead and click on that. After opening up pages, this will now open up this new menu where you can see all of the pages that you have in your website. As you can see, I have my home page, about page, and so on. So guys, what we want to do is go ahead and find the page that we want to duplicate. Go ahead, put your mouse on the page, and then go ahead and select the settings wheel that will appear next to the name of the page, and it will say Edit Page Settings. Go ahead guys and click on Edit Page Setting. Now this will now open up this new menu and this new tab where you can edit your page settings. And if you look at the top of the page where it's next to the contact settings, next to the name of the page, you can see you have the option to either delete this page or to duplicate this page. So this is the option right here that you'll be able to click to duplicate your page. As you can see, it tells me I have already reached the maximum number of pages for this site because I do not have an upgraded plan. But if you have an upgraded plan guys, all you will be able to do is just go ahead and click the button right here, and this will now automatically duplicate the page and create a new page right here which is similar to this, which is the same as this one, that you will be able to edit differently from this one. But yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.